So finally, I have verified my client business. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to verify your business. So I am choosing the app. The left side expand the WhatsApp and I just click the quick start. So you can see in the right side scale your business. So become a tech provider. So this is the button for starting the verification process. I just click this button. So in the provider verification, right? So I need to click the start verification button. So I just click the start verification. I just click getting started. So this is a verification I am doing it for my client. So United Kingdom, I just click next. After that, I need to fill the business name. So that is exactly in the documentation. So otherwise they will reject your verification process. Street address 1 and street address 2 and town and state and postcode. If you have any tax ID, you can give it here. I just click next. So I'm going to choose the way. So they have mentioned the email as a recommended way. I'm choosing the email. I just click next. So here I need to upload the information. You can see add supporting document. So here I'm going to upload such things. So in this case I am going to give my business bank statement because they have mentioned my exact business name without any conflict. So after I upload my bank statement, in the second one, verify address or phone number. So here I am going to choose utility bill. After I choose the utility bill, I just click upload. After I upload the utility bill, I just click next. So here it's showing the business website which we provided previously and the business email address. So here I just put info in front of the business email because that's the email I am using. I just click send email. Currently, I am building WhatsApp Cloud API boilerplate. So this boilerplate includes server setup integrated with WhatsApp webhook and WhatsApp Flow endpoint support. Almost all kind of supported message format and request. Easily we can able to find the exact request and you can integrate it in your code. And template JSON creation with easy steps. So if you want to create a JSON for your created template, so we have provided a mechanism to create the JSON within few steps. And other than that, webhook message extraction and WhatsApp flow encryption and decryption handling and media upload, download, delete, request support. So if you want to upload or delete or download any of the media, you no need to consider about any of the configuration. So boilerplate will handle all of the things. So you just need to provide the file path. If you want to ask payment from the user, so we have a Stripe webhook and payment integration. And that's all guys. So this is in review stage. So it's taking 2 working days to review this one. So let's wait for the verification process. It less than 1 hour after I submit the documentation. I just got the mail. This is verified. I just refresh and see how it's look like. So finally, I have verified my client business. So in case if you want any kind of WhatsApp Cloud API consultation or API development or integration or anything, you can contact and see you.